Hello guys, this is my first video in English, but for the sake of this I decided to record it. So my first add-on for clean and convenient operation of the rigger with naming. So it can remove extra numbers and dots as well as those that appear from duplicate bonds which interfere with working with symmetry. Secondary, he places and removes suffixes either automatically depending on the position along the x-axis or manually on individual bonds. It removes letters of a foreign alphabet which can become an error when working in the Unreal Engine. You can simply rename certain parts of the names and replace them with other. And he also puts prefix, and when I do this he removes the formations from the bond that are not responsible for this. I hope you enjoy it. You can download it from the link below. Free